Hey guys. Um, Last time I posted I was in Panama, obviously I'm back home. I'm still in Colorado. Um, I didn't tell you this, but I love 3D printing. Um, so recently I got my 3D printer fixed. It's been broken for a long time, trust me. And now I'm printing. I wanted to show you how much it's gotten done. It's a Yeeps hide and seek sticky bomb, and I'm gonna let it be overnight and show you what it looks like now. Now, obviously, the back, the stick doesn't look right. That's because it's designed to have supports. So stuff such as I don't know if you can see in the section cup, between the section cup and the back is there's a little foam or a little support underneath, and then obviously I already told you in the back, and there's also some hidden under the thing. So I wanted to show you what it looks like now, and I'm gonna snap my fingers, and it'll be morning. So, okay, so it's morning, and it's been working hard. Not hardly working. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? And it's like it's pretty cool because you can, print everything that is in this, this area. Also, I wanted to tell you I'm about to get a Meta Quest 3S. Here's my previous Meta Quest 2. It's a lot of fun. But I'm gonna give this one to my sister and keep, and then I'm get my own. So, thanks.